Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to use your Android mobile phone to trim a sound or a music file to create your own ringtone or custom notification sound. So in this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step process, which is very easy and you can follow along and create your own music, or your own ringtone or custom notification sound for free. To do this, what you need to do is first you need to go to the Google Play Store and then search for an app called Lexis Audio Editor. Okay, so this is the Lexis Audio Editor. I have already downloaded and installed it. If you have not already installed this app on your Android device, you can download and install the app audio editor. So once you open the Lexis Audio Editor, you will have an interface like this. So this is a very simple interface where you can see there is play button, pause button, record button, and there are other buttons. On top menu, you can find this open button where you can open the file manager of your mobile phone to get the file that you wish to trim. Okay, I have gone to the music downloads folder and I will go to this uh, file. I have got this file and I will open this file. So here is the waveform of the audio file. I can play and check the particular portion which I need to trim. And these are two handles on top. You can see this left handle and the right handle. So you can select the portion in between these two handles. So it's very easy to select the portion. Okay, to trim, you can select and then go to the trim menu. I'll show it in a due course. Let me show you in a while. But to find your music portion, you can play the whole file. So I'll stop it. You can play the file to see what portion of the audio you require, and then fine tune using these two handles. For example, I have selected this portion, and when I play, so so this is so this is the portion that I have selected. Once you are satisfied with the portion of the music that you require, then you can go to what you call this menu, the three dots on the left, on the right top of the interface, three dots. Click on that, tap on that, and then trim inverse delete. Tap on it. So now the portion which is available or which is there in the app is the portion that you selected, and all other things were deleted. So now you can play it. You can even fine tune this file and get your own custom music portion. Now, how do we go ahead and make it a ringtone? Simply go to save and save it as a wave file. Give it a name. For example, let me call it ringtone 1, and then we can save it in wave format, FLAC, M4A, AAC, WMA format, etc. But to save in MP3 format, what you need to do, you need to have a license. So MP3 format is a paid feature, but to save as a ringtone, you can easily save it in .wav format. The disadvantage of .wav format is that it is a pretty big file. Apart from that, it's not a big issue. You can save it at .wav format and it's free. So you can, now it is saved. Now it is in the folder that I have selected, and it's pretty easy. So you have seen this is how you can create a small ringtone out of a song or an audio file. I hope you like this video. If so, please hit the like button and keep watching. Thank you.